Hi everybody, welcome back to Beth Unboxes. I'm Beth and this is my sister Krista.
Hi.
Today we're going to go through the Winter ColourPop Mystery Box. I'm so excited. We've gotten two of these so far. I think we got the spring and the summer one, and now we got the winter one. And there are 10 products in here plus a bonus item. The last ones we got I think were just 11 products, so the bonus item may not be like a makeup product. It might be something different. We'll find out. This was $40.
Yeah.
I think this was $40. I'll put it in the corner, but $40 plus shipping or with, I'll have to look. I might have even got a discount on it. I'll look and see what I got. But this is a great one. I'm excited. Well, I hope it's a great one. I'm excited. Let's see. So they always wrap it really good in bubble wrap. The inside of the box looks like this once you get all the bubble wrap off of it. And it's still more bubble wrap. They wrap it really well. These are very well packed. Even individual products are usually bubble wrap. So our not makeup extra item is one of these quartz rollers, and it says, what does it say? Fourth ray? I think that says fourth ray. I'm not sure. But it actually is heavy. It doesn't feel like it's plastic. It feels like it might actually be stone. It is cool. And it's got the smaller one for under your eyes and the bigger one. So a nice little roller. I'll let Krista pull out our first actual makeup product.
So we got something bubble wrapped.
And if you guys are not familiar with the ColourPop Mystery Box, it does come out every season usually, and there's 10 or 11 items generally per box. Of course, you get sales on ColourPop throughout the year, but this is my favorite thing to get from them.
And this is Super Shock Shadow, and it's a beautiful pink. So
I'm curious to see what it looks like.
It could be.
The Shock Shadows are some of Krista's favorites. In the saddle?
In the saddle is what it's called, but it's a beautiful pink. Let me get it out of the box here. And unscrew it.
Usually the Super Shocks are duochrome, right? Is that what you're using?
It's shimmery, yeah. It has.
It almost looks like it shifts to gold when you turn it.
It's gorgeous. I love this pink. This is going to end up in my drawer.
Yes, it will. She will.
Oh, so pretty.
Okay, so the next thing I'm going to pull out is a party proof, and this is an eye primer.
Ooh.
And have we had an eye primer from them before?
I don't think so.
It's just it looks familiar, but it's a little tube of eye primer, so you put it under your eyeshadow to keep your makeup looking nice. So really cool.
Nice.
I guess that I don't know if that counts as skincare or makeup, but either way, it's nice. I like it.
It's a good product, yes. And then I'm gonna pull out Lux, and this is I can't read.
Gamer Girl.
So I'm guessing it's a lipstick. We're gonna open it and
usually the Lux ones are lipstick.
Yeah, it says lipstick on the box. I finally found it where it says lipstick. And of course, they always come in this cute pink packaging. And let's see what color it is. Oh, it's a nice neutral pink. Really nice neutral tone. Really, really pretty. So that's
a nice one. Okay, the next thing is Blotted Lip. And this is also a lipstick. And the color, I'm guessing, is that reddish color. It also says Purr is the color.
Ooh,
I'm excited. I have noticed that in the stores where I see ColourPop, the packaging has changed. So where we'll show you these palettes here in a minute, they are now like with a window to show you the colors inside, which is nice. So this is a twist up lipstick, and it looks like a pretty kind of dark pink, or I'm not sure that color, burgundy burnt something color.
That's a pretty color.
It is really pretty. I like it.
Is it one of their plumping ones or just?
This just says lipstick. So I don't think this is a plumper. This is just a regular.
So let's see what else we have in here. Ooh, Feather Effect Brow Pen.
I'm pretty sure I actually just bought one of these.
She might have one, and this is in a color medium brown.
Okay,
works
good.
For both of us.
I'd say, yeah.
There we go. So cute. Let's find the end that opens.
Okay.
Oh wow! Look how fine of a line that is.
So it literally is drawn on your eyebrow hairs one at a time.
Wow.
So that's nice.
That is thin.
I like it.
You have to have some good precision.
Ooh. Okay, I'm not sure what this one is going to be. Either a lipstick or... Oh, it's a highlighter.
Ooh, a stick highlighter.
So this is Light Sticks ColourPop, and this is... It doesn't say, but it is sealed shut, and I don't need a highlighter, so I'm going to leave it shut. But it looks like kind of a rose gold champagne color. And ColourPop is cruelty free, so that's another good thing about their products. So nice highlighter.
Yeah.
I think everything left might be palettes.
This one's lilac. We might have gotten it in another box, but I'm going to still open it anyway because...
Why not?
Why not? And then it's so pretty. I love the lilac color. This says Lilac You a Lot, which is a cute take on words. And
oh, that's gorgeous.
It has a mirror, but I'm not going to take the foam off of it. Look at those beautiful purples and pinks.
It's a 9-pan.
And really some shimmers and some mattes and then a little bit of a neutral. Oh,
that's pretty.
These are gorgeous, gorgeous colors.
This is one we never got, and this is Going Coconuts.
Ooh, I bet that's a pretty
I can't
palette.
wait to see what colors this is going to be. Ooh!
Oh, those are gorgeous, neutral.
That's so pretty. And again, some matte, some shimmer. Yeah, the middle couple are pinky ones.
Oh my gosh, that's a beautiful palette.
Oh man, that's beautiful. And you've got that. Oh gosh, that is really pretty.
Yes.
I love that.
I can save the biggest one for last. We've had this one before and another one. So there's a few repeats, but I mean, it's not bad though, still for what you get because the colors are so nice.
So what I was saying on the new packaging, instead of the front, you have a window to see the colors underneath. And it's a clear top instead of a solid top.
Oh yeah, these are the gorgeous yellows. Look at those glitters and mattes and these are fun summer colors. You could fall colors.
These are gorgeous. Yes. And this is the very last thing. And this is called Heavy Petal. This is a heavy petal, and this is a 12-pan.
So I think this is the first time we've ever gotten a 12-pan palette from them.
This says it's a pressed powder palette, but I think that just means it's pressed eyeshadows. It's not like face powders. I could be wrong. We'll see when we open it. Oh, the little thingy fell out. It is eyeshadows.
Look at those
and there's no mirror in this one, but look at those gorgeous colors. You have a little bit of everything in there.
Oh, those are so pretty.
That is beautiful. And the colors are named after flowers and everything. It's really pretty. But look how pretty.
Oh, those are nice glitters and shimmers and mattes.
I know. This one looks like a multi-chrome shimmer.
Yeah, it does a little bit, yeah.
Really pretty. Very nice. So that was the ColourPop Holiday Mystery Box for winter for this year. And I like it. It's always a good deal. I mean, considering you're getting 10 products that you're part of the box, and the box is under $50, it's less than $5 per item. So deal.
It's nice, exactly.
If it's still available, I will put that information below. You can check it out on the ColourPop website. Hope you guys enjoyed this video as much as we did. If you did, please hit subscribe, hit that like button, and hit that notifications bell so you don't miss out on future uploads. But for now, from Beth and Krista, have a great rest of your day.
Bye.
Bye.